Been kicking this glass aside that lazy bums and poorly parented people have left behind because dogs will cut their feet on them. Scummy people. Don't clean up after themselves. You see water balloons all over the fountains from parents, entitled parents who don't want to clean up after their own goddamn kids they're overpopulated with. Any dog that walks by is gonna step on this shit. Selfish, destructive people. Humans are the pests, not wildlife. Wildlife don't leave trash and plastic all in the oceans. Don't destroy everything. So we'll be getting all this up so a dog doesn't step on it. Due to more entitled, overpopulated, destructive pests or people. There's hundreds of these little pieces all over the place. Humans destroy everything.